Everybody in the club, hold your old page, I blues, nigga. Pop that cat. Hola, what's up y'all? So I wanted to make a quick video and show you guys this Tesla that I just bought. So I am still learning it, and it might be a part 2 to this video after I get like familiar with all the functions and all this technology and whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so I'm enjoying my Tesla. So this is my first car, and I'm happy I did get a Tesla because I feel like it fit my style. I've been loving it so far. So yeah, I wanted to just show you guys what it looked like so far, the details and all that good stuff. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys what the outside looked like first. So hold up real quick. I'm honestly recording this at like almost 2 a.m. so I am kind of tired, but I did want to get this video out the way. Alright, so let me show you how the outside real quick. Alright, so this is the outside of the car. So I honestly, that's my lock sound. But yeah, so when I bought this car, I honestly thought I was buying a black car, but when you look at it in the lighting, it's like a stone gray color. Pretty fire. But yeah, so this is the outside. So this is the 2022 Tesla Model 3. Pretty fire. Now this is where you charge your car up. So the crazy thing is, car was pretty dope. Only thing I didn't get with the car was a charger adapter, so I have not been able to charge it yet, but I just ordered me a charger adapter, so it's gonna be coming tomorrow, the trunk and everything. I love the color. Like it's just so perfect in the lighting. But yeah, so let me show you guys what the inside is looking like. So yeah, just keep watching. Hola, so I had to start this video on a completely different day because I was too tired. So yeah, so this is inside the car. So right now I have the car on park. So I've just been really trying to learn how to use the Tesla, get familiar with like all the different features, and so far it's been pretty simple, but I'm just used to technology, so it may be simple to me, but I'm not sure if it will come easy to others. But yeah, this is the Tesla so far. So you got the steering wheel, you got this right here. So I did buy, like, I don't want to rip it off, but as y'all can see, you just stick these on to like the console, and then this area, like, it goes so deep. Where you want to put like your Chick-fil-A lemonade and your Chick-fil-A drink. This, I never really checked on here. So I got this from Carvana. Well done, you happy. Oh, well drive, what? Will drive you happy, I guess. Yeah, you got the mirror and then you got the dome lights. I kind of love it because you could just click on the screen and then adjust the lights from here. I do want to do another video one day where I just like go through every single feature that is a part of using the Tesla, but I'll make that in another video. So yeah, pretty cool. The inside, it got like a lot of space. Like the legroom is crazy. I would adjust my seat, but I kind of been struggling trying to just adjust my seat to where I feel comfortable. Here you got the back seat. I never really sat back here, but pretty dope. It's a lot of space too as well. So now if you want to open your door, you see how it just opened like that. Pretty cool. If you want to open the front, and I'll show y'all what the front look like. Open the trunk. So now the front doesn't open all the way, but the trunk does. I don't think y'all can see it, but like I'm gonna show you guys what the front look like. But I'm gonna close the trunk real quick. And it's pretty cool because I love how you can just press the button and it closes. So let me show you guys what the front look like real quick. So I honestly don't know what I would put in here, but it's cool to have like the extra space. And then so they did not give me a a charger adapter to plug up my phone in the electric vehicle spot. So I did have to use this portable charger that my car came with. And I believe this is how you know when it's green, if it's done charging. Cause right now it should be at like 90 something percent. And honestly, I'm just in the parking lot right now. So I just found like a little outlet so I could plug it up until I get my charger adapter. But yeah, so this is my car so far. I'll make a part 2 to this video and just go through like all the Tesla features. But yeah, I'll save that for another video. But other than that, thank you for watching, and I'll make another video soon.